How does it feel, Baki? Oh. You have a thing?
Where's my soccer ball?
No, not yet na. They are going to give it to you today. What the lady said.
Alright guys, nakahanap kami ng maganda-ganda pusan. Doon na si Baki oh. Baki's doing a great job already. Ang daming tao guys. Pang ano lang ito, pang bata. Ano ng bata?
Maibang
Oh. Yes. Si Baki oh, ayun oh. Nardo. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Home time. Sa mga previous video vlog natin, kita nyo, sumama sila kagabi. Ayan. So si Mami,
My team is
masculine
the
ang
teddy.
aking asa, masculine.
My soccer team is the teddy bears.
Do we now?
Yeah, and the
Timbits.
no, it's
Clark
the
at
teddy
Sinel,
bears.
let's go.
It's the teddy bears.
Ngayon, ang plano, what is the plan today, Han? Soccer team ni Bake?
Yeah.
Let's go to
my,
soccer
my
team.
team is called the teddy bears, and the orange team is called sports. Yeah.
O ya?
more chair lang kasi walang chair.
Ayan guys. So nagpunta rin kanina rito si Pare Jace at yung misis niya. Pina-estimate na namin itong ano guys. Itong bubong, papagawa na namin. Bakit go no? Good ate. Papagawa na namin itong bubong kay Pare Jace. Tignan yung bubong namin oh. Korak-korak na guys, oh, kita nyo. Yung ano na yan. Talagang papalitan na talaga yun. Hopefully okay pa yun sa loob para hindi na masyadong gumastos. Pabayaan na kasi. Yun lang kasi kami nagkaluwag-luwag eh. Kita nyo naman ang buhay ng Lakay Travel. Pero natapos na yung roll up ni Mrs. Ito na lang. Papalitan natin lahat. Para sa ganun eh maging bago naman. Dagdag equity rin yan kasi. Kita nyo yung buhong niya no? Oh. Bubong ng bahay namin. Hindi na maganda. So bumili kami ng alulod. Imbis na brown, yung alulod, ganito ang style na yung alulod niya, kulay puti. Mga puti. Katulad dito. Tapos pagka natapos yun, papapinturahan namin ni Mrs. yung ano namin. Sana. Kaya unti-unti lang para sa pangarap. Han, magpapintura rin tayo, Han, ng garahe, Han. Papinturahan natin garage. Let's go, Han. Pagkatapos lahat, papinturahan natin ng garage.
Stop it.
Seatbelt, Bake, you know the drill. Han, pagkatapos papinturahan din natin ng garage. Ganyan kulay ng puti ano, nalulod. You know? Oh, ganyan. Uy, sasabit
Ayan,
ka.
hindi kahoy yun. Plastic yun. Lata.
Hindi, parehas lang din yun. Ibang lang ang kulay. Sa atin brown.
Marinda, ano?
Neat.
Sa atin brown, ha? Let's go.
It's like 5:48, Mom. When do we leave? Like,
Alright, so,
hold on.
saan banda yung ano nila, Han?
Sinclair.
Ano kayang volleyball?
No, it's not.
Soccer, si Baki may soccer ngayon eh, kaya pupunta kami. After namin sa soccer, mag-grocery kami. Tapos pag may time pa mamaya, baka mag-ihaw-ihaw tayo. Hindi naman kami iinom ni Mrs. ngayon, wala naman kaming alak.
Oo, muna. Masisira yung muscle natin.
Uy! Diyos ko! Ikay kakaiba talaga, misis. Ay, ton! Kaya yung misis ko guys ha. Wala nang tiyan.
Meron.
Kumbaga sa ano, hindi na bloated ang tiyan. Meron pa rin naman tiyan. Saan ba pupunta ang tiyan? Nandiyan pa rin ang tiyan. Pero siyempre, hindi na siya bloated. Tamang exercise lang para healthy. Hindi naman natin kailangan yung talagang patayin ng sarili sa mag-exercise ng 2 to 3 hours eh. Nakatulad ng Olympia. Hindi na naman tayo Olympia. Tamang health lang guys. Kaya big shout out sa mga kapwa nating mga, especially mga truck driver. Nakikita ko ngayon no, ang nag-exercise sila puspusan. Kaya big shout out. Tama guys, tama yung ginagawa nyo. Keep doing that. Gawin yung routine sa buhay nyo yan. Yan.
Pinasok niya kahit pula na.
Ganyan talaga mga tauhan. Pinasok nyo kahit pula. Kaya mo na. So bali tulad nga ng sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung exercise is no one will do that except you. Remember that guys. Ang health mo is for your own self. Ikaw lang ang makakatulong sa sarili mo. Okay guys. That's why Baki, everyday Baki, ano eh, naglalakad na si Baki. Hopefully mabawasan ko. Seatbelt Baki. Ikaw talaga, you need to wear seatbelt. Yeah, you always wear seatbelt, okay? Don't forget that. Okay, si Baka ngayon eh, birthday niya, October. Ang target ano namin eh, baka sakaling mabawasan siya kahit 5 pounds man lang. Para ka at least kita paano, yun ang ano, yun ang goal. Siyempre tumataba na yung anak namin eh, anak ko eh. The only son. Eto, dito sila. Soccer. Panoorin natin ang soccer niya. Pero nagbabasketball din doon, Nil.
Laro mo na yun sila.
Saan ang soccer dito rin, Han?
Doon sa field doon.
Oh, okay.
Maglaro mo na sa park ko lang.
Oo.
Ewan ko lang kung pwede na mag-set up.
Anong oras ba yung kanilang soccer?
6:15, malapit na rin.
So dyan sa loob, anong ginagawa?
Wala, ano dyan? Parang open gym.
Mom,
Ba't ang daming tauhan?
Oo kasi,
Soccer nila ngayon? Kaya pala, ang daming mga sa tao, ang daming mga sasakyan.
I'm going to get my own ball.
Do you now? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Bakit you gonna wait?
Because they're 3-year-old.
There. Soccer team. Panood natin si Bakay magsasoccer. Do you have Do you have uniform?
set up natin yung
I don't know,
lapit-lapit
I think
natin para.
Didn't bring it.
Ha?
Italikod mo Han, kasi yung pitan natin eh andun sa likod yung mga upuan, di ba?
Hmm.
Oh, sige. Ialagay mo doon pitan yung ano. Upuan. Doon, iingay ka na naman eh.
Stress ka.
Ikaw talaga kay Bak. Akala ko kung ano yung nagaganyan, yung pala upuang kalikore. Kalikoting, kumbaga sa ano Bagay, ikaw talaga, you are kalikoter ha.
Teka,
Kalikotan. Alright.
pang parking yung iba.
Oh, dikit mo lang. Tamang dikit lang. So your friends will come here, Nell? She will not going to come here in the park? You can text her and come here.
It's
Okay.
not
Doesn't want it?
parts. It's parts, not parts.
Ikaw talaga.
They're cleaning their house? Okay. That's fine. Stop, okay. Yung mamaya masira mo yung ano eh. Imbis na magba-birthday ka. Huwag pa. Papagawa pa. Give me that. Let's go, Bake. Sinil yung ano mo. Hoy. Dumi-dumi na yung laylayan. Oh!
What's your team?
Teddy
Teddy bears.
Ba't Teddy Bear Tim Horton?
It's just called
Hindi,
like that.
baka
Tim
sponsor-
Horton ka.
Sponsor ng Tim Horton ka.
Ay, sponsor nila Tim Horton? Oh.
Okay, everyone bring the, share. May payong doon.
Oy, wala.
Magpayong.
Ano si Baki?
I see some people in my team.
Do you now? Okay? Ano, saan ang akin hand to begin? Clark's doing great job already. Oh, may ano yan. Hindi pa naman kailangan eh.
Behind you. Stop looking. Stop looking.
Payong pahan?
I said stop looking.
Oh, man.
Guys ha, oh, ayan. Nakita nyo naman.
Stop looking for 1 minute.
Balikan na lang iba. Huwag na tayong magpayong han. Huwag na magpayong han. Masyado ka naman. Hindi ka na masusunog din han. Please lang. Upo na lang tayo. Huwag na tayong magpayong. Hindi natin may enjoy yung ano. Papayong pa eh. Diyos ko.
I wanna get my own.
Let's go guys.
Oh, bro got his own ball.
So today's Baki is
First
Put-
day of soccer.
first day of soccer. Ilang araw ba to han? September, araw-araw?
Wait, I think I can see a million.
Ha?
That is
Okay.
Where's it?
that's a black t-shirt.
That's not even Amelia.
Are you okay? Sa bandaran, lumpas sa bandaran. Daming tao. Ang daming tao sa football. First day football ni Baki. Football ba? Soccer? Han. Han, ang daming tao pala. Dito na siguro.
Right over there.
Upo na lang tayo rito. Upo na lang tayo rito.
See the white jersey.
Okay, here. Okay.
Ang daming tao guys.
Why you want this chair?
Ano yan?
It's a big chair.
Chair? Okay na itong isa.
My partner's
Kahit
here.
dyan na lang sa ano, table, ano. Bakis Palib Soccer no?
My partner's here.
Mom, can you pull that, please?
Help. Like So, how does it feel, Baki? Oh. You have a team?
Where's my soccer ball?
No, not yet na. They are going to give it to you today. What the lady said, the coach said.
How does it feel, Baki, to the first soccer or volleyball?
I'm on volleyball.
Eh?
I'm on volleyball.
Saan to, Han? Ito lang? Parang
Teka lang, dito lang.
bakali pa rin hangin. Okay. Andiyan ka. Oh, andiyan. Para makarelax na si Baki. Oh. This is our neighborhood, guys.
Supposed to be on like.
Go now, play now.
No, it's the younger ones. It's the younger ones.
Where's Baki sa ano?
Ito, maliliit yung kasama
Oh,
ni
yan.
Baki.
Go now.
Kasi 6 years old pa siya. eh.
Ay, so hindi pa siya pwede?
Pwede na siya.
Doon yata eh. Hindi ba doon, Han?
Yeah, I'm playing.
But where's my ball?
6:15 pa mag-start.
Where's your ball?
No, they're going to give it to you.
Wala kang
Like
dalang ball?
outside?
Where's the?
Hindi, bibigyan sila. Han.
And outside?
Okay. Bibigyan sila.
Oh, that's the lady said.
Clark, where you sit? Huh?
Wala. Supposed to be practice over there.
Yeah, it's
Saan na Bake?
Wala siyang ball.
Give the...
Don't have a ball.
Oh. You cannot play yet? Ha? May secret nagtatanong? Teacher niya yun? Bakit dyan ako? Nag-crack dyan ako. Doon ka baby. Alright guys. Nakahanap kami ng maganda-ganda pusan. Doon na si Bakay oh. Bakay's doing a great job already. Oh, ang daming tao guys. Pang ano lang ito, pang bata. Ano ng bata?
Maibang
Oh. This is our
Kaysa laging nasa bahay.
oh. Guys. Si Bakay oh, ayun oh.
Nilagay ko siya sa 7 kasi nga magsi-7 hindi pala pwede.
Ano na?
Nilagay ko siya sa 7 kasi magsi-7 na nga siya, hindi pala pwede.
7 years old?
Hindi pwede.
Kailangan ano siya dapat?
siya.
6 pa lang. Si Bakay.
4, 5, 6 ganun.
So yun yung coach nila, yung lalaki?
Siguro.
Oo.
not doing bad.
Kasi parang pilidin niya tayo. Ginagawa nila. Kaya sabi ko, pero parang napasok din. Babaunan mo ng lag. Oo, kasi nga walang
Si Bakay. Si Bakay.
Sige, sige.
Sige te. Sister, thank you.
Kabata pa ni Ibin.
Thank you ulit. Okay.
Nil, meron ka ng data?
Si Bakay andun, siya yung guard doon.
Mom, is there anyone?
Where's it na? It's here na.
Okay, Mom.
So, there's a cup there.
Water break.
Friday, there's no more class.
Yeah, it's Friday. It's Friday. What? It's upcoming this Friday. Mom, it's Julie. It's Julian.
Hmm?
Where?
Julian over there.
Right
That's
there?
one of like the afternoon captains.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Can I go say hi to her?
You gonna watch You gonna watch the you gonna watch the thing.
Give a water to Bakinak.
Baby, you gonna watch the
You need to guard the ball.
oh, it coming to you. You have
Don't
to
let it in.
you have to guard and kick it inside, okay? Okay, hurry up because your team is you're white, okay? Drink a lot now. And guys. Doing a great job there, okay? Oh, give me a kiss. Now go. Show me what you got. Okay?
I don't
One more flight?
There's gonna be like martial arts.
Focus on the ball.
I played soccer before, but I didn't actually
Parang nahihiya si Baki. Yan. Baki, it's your ball, Baki. Baki, your ball. Ako tuloy. Laro-laro lang eh. Siniseryoso yung labanan eh. Alright guys, tapos na yung laro nila. Shake hands. Nanalo yata yung maroon. Natalo sila Baki. Natalo sila Baki. Natalo sila Baki han? Baki. Right there, right there.
Why are you on the floor again?
Okay, so who win?
You won.
You won? You won? Careful. Come here. You won?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. Very good. Very good, very good.
Bakit flight? Kami na.
Alright guys. Uwi na kami. Baki. Goal. You goal 1 no?
I did.
Baki goal 1. 1 goal. Let's go. Muna tayo sa ano guys. Baka bibili si Mrs. ng ulam.
Mom, can we play?
Mag-iihiyaw
Can
kami.
we play in the play structure?
No, wala nang time na kasi
There's no more time, batiti. Han baka mamaya kaka ano mo mawasakan ka ng sasakyan. Nawasakan si Mrs. ng sasakyan, guys. Kaka-push niya eh. Let's go, let's go.
You want ano?
Come now, come here. Come here.
Sanitation hands ha?
Hindi, yung isa lang, ang iba, kalahati lang. Kakain pa tayo mamaya, Han. No, you only. Come here, Vicky.
Okay.
Dinadayet ko si Baki, guys. Kakain pa mamaya sa bahay eh. If you don't eat, then that's okay. Alright, let's go. Punta kami sa, doon na tayo pumilihan. Saan sa? Seafoods. Okay, let's go. Seatbelt. Yan, tara. Lakay Tracker.